Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open a PNC bank account. Now the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and open the website. Come at the top left, click on these three horizontal lines to open up the menu, and from here you can choose whichever one you want. So let's say personal, small business, or corporate and institutional. We'll choose personal, and from here I want you to choose the product or service you want. In this case, we want a checking account. We want to open a bank account, okay? So click on checking, and then we can open one online. You can go ahead and click on learn more and apply online. And now we can get a virtual wallet as well if you want. You can click on compare and choose your virtual wallet, enter your zip code, click on submit, and then you can scroll down right here and choose your virtual wallet. So you have these two options, this one right here, and we have another one, this one. So whichever one you want, you just come here, click on apply for savings and checkings account. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.